Video I'll be showing you how to fix. See wrong disk inserted, please insert the CD DVD in GTA San Andreas. So all you have to do is just to open your folders here, and then you will have device and drivers. You will have your DVD and your local disk C. I wanted to enter the DVD folder here. After that, you will have all these files inside of it. I need you to enter the hoodlum. You will find all of these three files. What you want to do is just to right click on the GTA San Andreas and then click on copy. After that, go back to your local disk C. You will have these files. Just search for program files x86, enter it, and then search for extra games. Click on it, and then you will find GTA San Andreas file. Click on it, and you will have these folders. After that, as you remember, the folder that we copied, I need you to paste it here, and he will ask you to replace this file by the new one. Click on continue, and this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.